Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to go ahead, identify, find, and download the Windows 10 ISO installer image. We'll create a virtual machine definition using VMware Player, and then we will go ahead and install Windows 10. So to get started, we will first search for the Windows 10 download. I will go ahead, click to the first link, go to the Microsoft spot, our site, click on Download Tool Now. As you can see, we have this media creation tool. It's downloading. We will click and open the tool. Click yes to allow it to run in admin mode. I will accept the license. I'm going to go ahead and select Create Installation Media. Click Next. English, that's fine. Windows 10, that's fine. I want 64-bit. I'm going to deselect that because I don't necessarily want it tied to this particular PC, but at the same time, English United States version, Windows 10, and then x64 works. We're going to be using x64 for all of these demos, so that is okay. Yeah, 64. I wish to have the ISO image. Click Next. I'm going to drop it into the Downloads folder. Click Save. And finish. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close the browser. Open up my file manager. Refresh. And you can see right here is our Windows installer media. And so we can move right into VMware Player installation. Now we can go ahead and start VMware. Create a new VM virtual machine. We're going to choose the installer disk. Nope, let's install later. If we use this, we're going to have an automated scripted installation. So we want to avoid that. We want to control that for ourselves. So I'll go ahead and click on later. Windows version 10 x64, no change there. We will go ahead, just call it that. Click next. Maximum disk size of 60 gigabytes. We're going to split the virtual disk into multiple files. Two gigs of memory. NAT, both of those are okay for now, so we're going to go ahead and finish. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit because I realize I did not install or attach the CD image. So I'm going to click once on CD, click Use ISO Image, click Browse, go to my downloads, click on the Windows disk that I just downloaded, click Open. Make sure Connect at Power On is selected, and now I will go ahead and click OK. With all of those things set up, click Play. At this time I can close this. I'm going to remind me later about the VMware tools. maybe slide this, click enter. All right, my English language to install English, and keyboard US. That works for me. Click next. Click install now. I'm going to click I don't have a product key. By clicking this, we obviously avoid entering a product key. We also put Windows 10 into, I'm going to call it demo mode. So I'll go ahead and click I don't have a product key. I'm going to choose Windows 10 Pro. We definitely don't want to do Home. That disallows some things, some potential features we'll be interested in exploring later. Education is okay, but since we have the option of Pro, Pro seems like it's the best choice. I'll click next. I'll accept the license terms. Click next. And I'm just going to install Windows only, of course. It's a new machine. This upgrade isn't really going to work. It's probably going to boot me out and ask me to start over, so I'll just click install only. I have an unallocated disk of 60 gigabytes, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the new and then apply. I'm going to use the entire size of the disk. I'll click OK, and you'll notice that Windows is going to create some recovery partitions, some small partitions that are system use only. So our user amount is this 59.4 gigabytes. I'll click next. And then the files are being copied into this new installation from the CD installer, or the installer CD that we downloaded. Okay, after what seems like forever, we're now past the sort of setup part. I'm going to try to disable voice control. Click yes to region. That's good for now. As soon as we get the chance, we're going to turn off this Siri or Cortana business. Yes. Skip. With the computer waiting for me to speak and all of that, it is quite sluggish. Hopefully on your computer, it will be better. I'm going to create an offline account. All right, so I'm going to create a user account. Click next. I'm going to create a password. Click next. It might complain. I don't know. First pet. Dog. City. Let's pick another city. Decline. We do not want that. No, not activity history. I do not want all of these things. Nothing. Okay, let's close that. And I would say that with that, if we do a WinVer, we have version 1809, which is fantastic. We're off to the races and everything's good. Thanks for watching this video.